Hello everybody, 46 Blitz 8 here for 643boxbreaks.com, and timestamp is 1:13 on Tuesday, December the 29th. That is 1:13 a.m. Eastern Time. Notice that time there, and the time on the box here. So I did the team draw for this Zenith Blitz Bucks bonus break at 12:22. And we have about an hour for trading on the chat channel. There was no trades registered that I saw. If I did miss something, I apologize. The cards will go to the proper owners if I haven't seen any trades on the channel, on the chat channel. So we will break this as drawn. So this is the break number 745. It is Zenith. Everybody's a lot of people like this stuff from the retro stuff here. So Blazer, you drew the Preds and Devils. Frank, you got the Rangers, Avs, Blues, Wild, Capitals, Flyers, Stars, Wings, Sharks, Habs, and the Penguins. Flyers Takedown, you have the Jackets. Northeast Nick, you have the Canucks. Oop, forgot to put a space in there. Ron, you have the Panthers, Jets, Bruins, Sens, and Leafs. And Subterfuge, you have the Hurricanes, Yotes, Flames, Lightning, Sabres, Ducks, Kings, Oil, Islanders, and Blackhawks. All right, so that is the roster. So this is the free break paid for by Blitz Bucks. That's the loyalty bonus that I have. I'll show the serial again. They were $1.35 a team, paid for with Blitz Bucks, and the Blitz Bucks are free. So this is completely free. The people that want to spend their Blitz Bucks on it. The jumbo will be opened. We will be daring to tear. And checklist if we need it. And for the rest of the stuff, 10 packs. Blast from the Past, Zenith Hobby. We got Hemsky, we got Johnson, we have Curtis Joseph. Those are short printed veterans, right? For the Wild, you have a single jersey of Kyle Clutterbuck, Koivu, and Backstrom. Oh, the vets are short print. Okay. Mosaic's single jersey. That's the base version. No, that's the. No, they have a non memorabilia version of that. So that's for the Wild. Blues. The Curtis Joseph card is for the Blues. That's going to Frank, and the Wild is going to Frank as well. Jokin and Ladd. This is stuff is testing my memory here. Yeah, there's 1, 2, and 3 mem versions, and there's I forgot there was a base version of that as well. Getzlaff, St. Louis. We have a rookie, Corey Emerton for the what am I thinking? For the Wings, out of $9.99 for Detroit. $9.99. Detroit was drawn by Frank, and we have Daniel Carcelo, Zenith. Emblem die cut. It's white there, you can barely see it. That's for the Flyers. It's not numbered, but I can see. Logo die cut for the Flyers. Philly is Frank. We got Ryan and 5-4 Brizgalov. I don't think I've seen too many of those. We got a Gabrick. We have Michael Grabner. Jeremy Roenick for the Flyers. Short print to 124. Sam Gagne and Leopold, all base, I believe. Yep. We got Solani, what are these called again? Red Ice? Red Hot. Ilya Brazgalov for the Phoenix Coyotes. Phoenix is Centrifuge. Red Hot. And we have rookie roll call. Jeff Skinner for the Hurricanes. And that is Centrifuge as well. Jeff Skinner. Not numbered. Not a bad one to have this year. He's one of the top rookies this year, if memory serves. Camilleri, we have Team Z for the Flames. Jerome McGinley. Team Z. Sorry, Team Z. I'm in Canada. What am I saying? Team Z. Say it the right way. It's Z. For the Flames. And that is Centrifuge. And we have for the Habs. Crease is the word. Carey Price, goalie insert. For the Habs. And that is Frank. Team Z. That's a case hit. All right. Drawn by Centrifuge. Brian Boucher, Grabowski, Dave Schultz. I'm assuming is a short print for the Flyers. Card number 131. Stretch neck for the Flyers, and I don't know who that guy is. Wininski. We got Fleury, autograph for the Boston Bruins, Steven Kampfer. Hard signed rookie auto for Boston and Ron. I don't think he's in the league anymore as of 99. And we have Mosaic for the Rangers. Zuccarello, Callahan, and Lundqvist. Non-mem version for the Rangers. Rangers are... That's Frank again. Richards and Price base. Okay. And there's Vanek, Joe Sakic. Assuming it's a short print. Wolski and Sharp. I'll base again. Two more packs to go before we get to the day of the tear. Mike Green, Timmy Thomas, Brett Hall, 133, assuming that's short print. Dustin Brown and Lundqvist. Again, all base again. Just a short print. Vet. Seems kind of odd. Corey Perry, Corey Crawford. Gifted Grinders, Chris Neal for the Sens. Ottawa is Ron. Sidney Crosby and Patty Kane. And now for the Dare to Tear. And it is Felix Potvin for the Leafs. All right, here we go. It's gonna sting. Still not there. I'm terrified about cutting the card inside. That's why I hate opening these stupid things. Alright. It is for the Devils. It is number 199. The Devils are Blazer, Jacob Josephson. Non-autograph. Short print rookie out of 199. It's all yours. And that's why we call it Dare to Tear. I actually pulled a Tyler Seguin out of this. I think it was one of the first or second breaks I ever did way back when. Many moons ago. So there's Potvin. In the trash. Alright, that is the break of Zenith. Thank you very much. And once I'll put up another cheap box for you can use your change on Blitzbucks to buy those teams up. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Cheers.